Welcome, guys. This is Ashwin here. Are you a fan of playing Clash of Clans or Asphalt 8 Airborne? Please tell me in the comment section below. Guys, but are you not bored of playing them on a small screen like this? Have you ever wondered what's the enjoyment when you play them on a big screen? On your computer's monitor or the laptop's monitor, guys? Guys, this feature is provided by the Android emulators like Andy and BlueStacks. Guys, but these run on a very low Android version compared to an Android emulator, which I am telling you now. Yes, guys, this is why I brought the best Android emulator for Windows PC, and that's nothing but the Remix OS, guys. This runs on 6.0 Marshmallow and provides its user the full feature of an Android PC, guys. It's awesome. And now, to make you understand more about this, I have brought you a short video. Watch this.
Remember the first time you turned on a computer? The realization that a whole new world of possibilities could be unlocked in a digital reality. Exploring new horizons, transforming otherwise age-old paradigms, and inspiring a better future. At Jide, we believe that the future of computing is Android, and we aspire to usher in a new era of exploration, transformation, and inspiration the world has never seen before. To create and to collaborate in amazing ways, to work and play together. The past has already been written, but we are here today to write the future. That's why we believe in what Alan Kay once said: the best way to predict the future is to invent it. Remix OS for the revolutionaries who will shape tomorrow.
Okay, guys, now let's go ahead and install it. So guys, to install it you will be following 3 steps which are shown here. The step 1 is to create space for storing files of RemixOS. Then the step 2 will be downloading and installing RemixOS. Step 3 will be setting up RemixOS for its proper usage. Okay, guys, first let's start off with our first step. First off, you should go to a website called partitionwizard.com/free partition manager HTML. I'll keep this link in the description. Click on that link and you'll come here. Then click this download button. I have already downloaded it. After downloading, get this file here. Once you get this file, you need to install it. So right click on it and run as administrator. Click yes, and then click on I accept the agreement. Then go to next, next, install. Once you have installed, click on finish, and here mini partition wizard. Okay, now here right click and run as administrator. Yes, go click on mini tool partition wizard free. Okay, here you are. Now I have these drives on. First you need to select a drive which is empty. Now select the drive which you want and right click on it and then select split. Once you have selected split, here they have given the original partition size and the new partition size. Here they have given in GB, so select it for 16.0 GB. Okay, guys, then click on OK. Once you have done that, you'll get a new drive here. See, you can see drive H. No, there's no name for that, but it's containing 16 GB of free space. Okay, guys, next what you should do here is again right click on it, right click on the new drive and go to label, and here in the label type whatever you want, but for my reference I'll type RemixOS. Then click on OK. Now you should click on the apply button here on the left top corner, and once you have done that you will get a new drive. It may ask you for restart. If it asks, then please restart your computer. Okay, guys, I have already created the drive for RemixOS, so I'll not do this. I'll just close this. Okay, once you have done that, now we'll go to the step 2, downloading and installing RemixOS. Guys, to download and install RemixOS you need to go a website. I'll give this link in the description. Then click here download now. Once you are here, according to your computer's bit, select to download. But wait, if you have uTorrent, you can go for torrent download. If you don't have uTorrent, you can go for mirror download. I prefer you to go from torrent download. My computer is of 64-bit. I'll show you. You can see yours by right clicking on my computers and going to properties. Yeah, here you can see my computer is of 4 GB and 64-bit operating system. This is the required, and then go there and select. Okay guys, I'll select torrent download. Guys, it's running security scan, and once it finishes, just open it guys. Once you have opened, as I clicked on torrent download, the uTorrent will start it. Click on OK. See guys, you can see release remix OS. It's downloading and the file size is of 1.02 GB. So this remix OS runs on both 64 and 32-bit, so you can easily do it. Okay, once you have done this, we'll go ahead and install this. This is the file which you get after downloading guys. See, this is the file which you get after downloading. You need to right click on this and click on extract here. See guys, it's extracting. It takes a while. Okay guys, once you have got this, see here you can see 4 files are there. This is one, how to launch it. This is one disk image file, and here you'll get this file. This. Okay, now we should create a new folder. Yeah, and let's move these files here. Okay guys, after extracting, you get these 4 files. Now we have completed our step 2 also. Okay, now the step 3 is setting up Remix OS for its proper usage. Okay guys, now I will show you how to set up Remix OS. This is the main part guys, please watch carefully. Go to the Remix OS folder. Then you can see the 4th application. It's not a disk image file, but it's an application. It says Remix OS for PC installation tool B201 something. Okay, you need to right click on that. Run it as administrator. Once done, click on S. Yeah guys, now it asking you for installation. Guys, if you want you can read this, but I'll tell you how to do it. First see here that ISO file is selected or not. Guys, see, first you need to see that ISO file is selected or not. Then here you need to click on browse, and then here select the file, this one, this above file, disk image file. As you can see, this file which we downloaded, that you need to select guys. Yeah, I've saved it in desktop, and here Remix OS, and this is the disk image file which we need to select. Double click on that and it gets selected. Okay guys, next here you need to verify that hard disk is selected or not. Don't select USB drive, but select on hard disk. Then here which drive you should put is, see guys, we remember we created a new drive for Remix OS, and in my computer it's drive E. So go and select drive E. Drive E. Once you have done that, select on OK. It takes a while guys, but it surely does the work. Okay guys, if that notification panel arrives, then click on S to all. It does guys, just take some 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, yes, this menu appears. It's asking if you want a reboot or not. Guys, you need to click on reboot now, but before that I'll switch to my external camera from where you can see what happens after rebooting. Okay guys, now as I said, you have switched to my outside camera. Now I think you remember the screen. We need to reboot our PC. So guys, let's click on reboot now. Okay guys, my PC is restarting. Yes guys, we wanted this screen. Now here you need to select Remix OS guys. So click the down arrow on your keyboard and press enter. Guys, for first time when you select, it takes a lot of time to load. It just starts automatically. Okay guys, it's showing some writing speed test. Guys, it works on any computer and any bit, guys. I showed you how to do it. Okay guys, now it takes for some 15 minutes to start for the first time, but from the next time when you on, it just takes some 10 or 5 seconds, guys. Guys, it's starting. Just a bit more. Yes guys, it's root remix, it's starting. Yes guys, we have done, we have succeeded. This happens every time you switch to Remix OS. Yes guys, it came. This is the Remix OS. Guys, I'll go front. I think you can see now. It's asking us to select your language, and English United States. Only 3 options Remix OS has provided. See guys, it's telling you about user agreement. Click on agree. Guys, this Wi-Fi setup. See guys, now I am doing this on my PC. So what I cannot connect to any Wi-Fi here. So guys, if you are installing it on a laptop, then some Wi-Fi's will be available here. Select on which select on your home Wi-Fi you can connect. Okay guys, so as I'm in computer, I'll go to skip, which on the right top corner. Okay guys, once we have approached till here, it asks us to install some apps if we need. So click on continue guys. Yeah, here it has selected some apps recommended, but I tell you unselect this. If you want it, you can do it afterwards. Then click here next. Okay guys, unselect everything. If you want, you can see the information. Okay, and then unselect everything and click on next, which will be in the bottom right corner, and again unselect everything and click next, which will be in the bottom right corner. Okay guys, now it's telling summary, you have selected no apps. Okay guys, click on finish, which is in the bottom right corner. Okay guys, again it's saying, do you want to activate Google Play Store? Yes guys, click on I would like to activate and select next. Once you have done that, it's telling setup is completed. Yes guys, we have successfully installed Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and it's an Android operating system on our PC guys. Yes, see, you can see everything is there. Okay guys, now as we have successfully installed this Remix OS on our PC, now I'll be showing you the proof that it runs on Android 6.0. Guys, see, this is the start menu here. You need to click here and you can scroll. I am scrolling down, going for about tablet. Then here I'll show you the Android version 6.0.1. I see. Remix OS provides you an option called Gaming Toolkit. I think you can see it. Is that this Gaming Toolkit, once you go inside, this appears on the right. If you are playing Subway Surfers or something, you can select this option and you can select the controls which you need for up, down, left and right, and then click on save as. Okay guys, so we have successfully installed Remix OS. Thank you for watching and good luck. Enjoy.